How to install DirectX 12 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So first of all, you need to open this link which is on the description box below. This will take you to the official site from which you can download the DirectX from Microsoft. Now scroll down a bit and tap on download button. In few seconds, you will download the .exe file. Tap on it to initialize the installation. Click on yes. Click on the first option which says I accept the agreement and tap on next. Tap on next again, and then the download and installation will start. There will be multiple installation of different type of files and folders, including download and installation time and again. This might take 2 to 3 minutes. Till then, leave the computer screen as it is. Make sure to tap on next button as soon as the installation of a component is completed. Once all the installation has been completed, you will see a tab like this. And this way the installation is completed. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.